In this video, I'm going to show you how to play CS2 Faceit. So first you're going to do is type faceit.com and go to this website. Now here you want to click start playing now, and you want to log in. If you have a Steam account, just use your Steam account. So what you're going to do here, it's going to prompt you to browse games, and what you're going to do is just search for CS2, type in CS2, and you're gonna find this game. Now if you weren't in this tab, like let's say you were already in this tab, so to find CS2 just go to here, click view all games and type CS2, and you're gonna find and click on it. So once you're here, what you're gonna do is basically it's gonna prompt you to download the game and install some anti-cheat softwares. So you're simply gonna go through this process, and once you go through the process and have everything installed, you will be able to run the game and play CS2 on Faceit. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.